And finally we are at Visualize. Visualize is nothing but how your visuals look like. So when you go to Visualize tab, you can see. This is an all collection of all the dashboards. When you filter the dashboards, inside the dashboards you can create pages. So when you see, 41 pages, 81, 18 pages, 33 pages and all those things, so you basically go ahead and create pages in your dashboards. So these are dashboards, and then the dashboard name over here is this, facial lenses, and all these are pages. Right. All these inside the dashboard is pages called the various pages that you want to. It can be split across. Say search social display. All these three are like three separate dashboards. Or you can have, in one view you can have all your channel dashboards and then all these pages can be for different brands. Together. You can have different brands' dashboards in the different pages that you define for yourself, correct? All these are examples of the various widgets in dashboards whereby you can see there are goals, sales goal, revenue goal, marketing goals. We have forecasting, whereby we have total revenue versus marketing spend, and then we have these forecasted revenue and forecasted media insights. That comes from Einstein, or you have finally found it from your goals, widgets. So we have, channel analysis. All these are widgets that you can create as part of the data visuals where you can have your KPIs, trending and forecasting. Marketing spend, digital advertising, share of digital advertising, etc. etc. So this is your workspace, like how you create a widget. Basically is, you go to the plus symbol, you drag something and then you put your measurements and dimensions for a bar graph. You can choose a bar graph. We will see this. We can define your clicks and impressions and then you can create your bar graphs, your charts, whatever is there. User settings. Yes, this is something that comes for your workspace, whereby you have your training of your users' workspaces. Global view of things whereby the users tab you can define, what is your user, who are you, and your admin can set your user credentials in there and, workspaces will allow you to workspace. So workspaces will allow you to if you're working for multiple projects, you can switch your workspace from the tab that you see from your user settings and you can switch to the different workspaces that you have access for right. So that's all about